The DSV A3 Plus DTF printer is designed to make your printing process easier and faster, with cutting-edge features that take your business to the next level. You will find the link to this product in description below at the best price. This printer includes an exclusive offer, 2 years of free ink and powder with each order. Just pay for shipping, and every 2 months, you'll receive 5 by 250 milliliters inks and 500 g of powder, ensuring that you keep your costs low while enhancing your printing capabilities. With its 4-inch touchscreen, operating this printer is a breeze. The intuitive control panel makes navigating through settings and functions quick and simple. Plus, the upgraded mainboard ensures stable and error-free printing, reducing material waste for a more efficient workflow. Thanks to the advanced XP600 print head, the DSV A3 Plus XP600 DTF printer delivers lightning-fast print speeds, up to an A3-sized print in just 6 minutes. You can produce up to 10 high-quality prints per hour, which makes it perfect for busy print shops with tight deadlines. The printer also offers stunning, professional-quality prints with its 2880 by 1440 Ultra HD resolution. You'll be able to print sharp and vibrant designs that will surely impress your customers. Whether you're printing on cotton, polyester, leather, or other fabrics, the DSV A3 Plus XP600 will consistently produce high-quality results. In addition, the DSV printer features smart ink systems with automatic ink suction and waste ink reset functions. This ensures uninterrupted printing, while the built-in white ink circulation and stirring systems prevent printhead clogs and deliver vibrant, consistent colors with every print. For added convenience, the newly upgraded DSV printer software is virus-free and designed to be compatible with Windows systems. It offers seamless operation, so you can rest assured that your printing experience will be smooth and secure. The DSV A3 Plus XP600 DTF printer is highly versatile, making it ideal for a wide range of applications. You can print on fabrics such as cotton, polyester, leather, jeans, shoes, and more. The comprehensive package includes the A3 DTF printer, a computer, an oven, DTF film roll, inks, DTF powder, t-shirts, cleaning accessories, and detailed operation videos to help you start your DTF business efficiently and quickly. For your peace of mind, the DSV A3 Plus XP600 DTF printer comes with a reliable warranty. There's a 3-month warranty on the print head and a 2-year warranty on other accessories. If you have any questions or technical issues, the dedicated customer service team is available 24/7 to provide assistance. You will find the link to this product in the description below at the best price.